Everyone, I need your help. I cannot decide what to name my tow truck company. So far, I've come up with Sako's Towing, Sako's Appalachian Hook and Haul, Sock Tows, and Towing by the Sock. The internet has come up with some interesting ones, such as Sako's Camel Tows, Sako's Hooker Service, Hooked on Sako,
Worked for me.
or my personal favorite, Dalton Ain't Towing.
Dalton ain't doing shit.
We also need a slogan. So far, I like, we don't need your arm and a leg, we just need your toes. Well, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Everybody have a great day.